Hello friends, when tile size increases and elevation matters, performance cannot be compromised. Introducing Solid Bond SB-33, grey color, a high-performance, polymer-modified, cement-based tile adhesive from premium ceramics. Is 15477 certified, low VOC, and environment-friendly. Solid Bond SB-33 is designed to meet modern construction standards while ensuring a safer working environment. Solid Bond SB-33 is a Type-3 tile adhesive, specially developed for fixing large-format vitrified tiles and small natural stone tiles on vertical and exterior surfaces. It is ideal for external wall vitrified tiles up to 1000 x 1000 mm, tile sizes including 600 x 600, 600 x 1200, 800 x 800, and 800 x 1200 mm, vertical applications up to 30 feet height, tile-on-tile fixing applications, external wall installation of small-sized marble and granite. Solid Bond SB-33 offers high bond strength for heavy tiles, excellent slip resistance for vertical fixing, ready-to-mix formulation for easy application, suitable for both interior and exterior use, long-lasting performance in demanding site conditions. At approximately 3 mm bed thickness, Solid Bond SB-33 provides a coverage of 4.5 to 5 square meters per 20 kilograms bag, making it both efficient and economical on site. Solid Bond SB-33 is supplied in 20 kilograms bags and has a 12-month shelf life. Premium Ceramics, a premium tile company of India, made in India, made for the world.